Hi, this is Naresh. I'm from Chennai. I did my engineering under CS discipline, and then my interest turned towards information management, and so I have decided to pursue my masters under information management systems, and now I have got my admission in University of Texas at Dallas. ALS, one of my friends told me about it. Actually, when I decided to go to US, for abroad education, I was actually blindfolded. I don't know what are all the process which has to be done while applying for the universities. That's when my friend came to me with the idea of joining ALS. They really helped me in knowing the process of how to apply for a university. This is not an easy process to apply, right? It is a breathtaking process, really. Starting from taking the GRE exam to right till the visa process, we need really someone to guide it. And ELS is the one. I find them really friendly and help me, to guide me right through the process. Actually, I was really confused to shortlist the universities at first. There are a really large number of universities, right? Around 3,500 universities are there. And my counselor here is Divya Manish. He really helped me in shortlisting the universities, checking it before anything we are going to submit, so that they are making sure that we are not submitting anything wrong there. So I would just suggest my friends to join ELS only for that thing itself. Actually, they don't spoon feed us, they don't handfold us. We have the freedom of doing what we should be doing there. And even for Dallas, my counselor told me Indian students and outstate students will be more in Dallas, so comparatively it will be more competitive than other universities, but still it has a great reputation in ranking, and everything is good. So compared to other universities which I got, UTD is better, so I chose with they help me in shortlisting the universities and then writing SOP. They make me write the SOP, and then they actually modified the whole thing about the structure of the SOP, everything. So I want to thank them for everything right from the. Thank you.